Oh my gosh. This is what you call Manila. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Manila, Manila. We're on Cebu Street in G. Tuason. Oh my gosh. Only in Manila. Alam mo na kung saan?
Yung green building doon, yung magkamali. Yung tanda. Malayo pa.
Ah, baby, so cool. He found the place. Ito, what is that? Arlen's building.
I think green yung sa kanya eh.
Ang daming green.
Nasa left side ba?